Today we're going to be talking about self-imposed stressors. DEATH is the acronym that the Army gives us, and that stands for drugs, exhaustion, alcohol, tobacco, and hypoglycemia. Drugs is also split up into another subcategory, SOAPs C. Drugs, and its subcategory, SOAP C. S. Self-medication. Commercial advertising continually encourages the purchase of non-prescription over-the-counter medications for the range of minor ailments. The primary purpose of such medications are to cure or control symptoms of a medical problem. According to AR 40-8, crew members must keep their flight surgeon informed of any medication changes in their any specific changes in their physical health. Furthermore, most drugs, whether prescribed or over-the-counter, have unwanted side effects that can vary from person to person. In general, no crew member taking medications is fit to fly unless cleared by a flight surgeon. Overdose problems. Drugs are to be taken in the given amount over a specified time. Taking more than the recommended dosage of the medication does not reduce recovery time and can be dangerous. A. Allergic reactions. Some individuals might experience an exaggerated or pathological reaction to a given medication. An example is an allergic reaction to penicillin. E. Predictable side effects. Side effects accompany the usage of drugs and are incidental in its desired effect. Table 3-1 on page 3-4 of the .93 includes examples of common over-the-counter drugs and their known side effects. These side effects highlight the need to the crew members to be aware of known potential problems with drugs. Although crew members might not experience all listed side effects, they should be known that they might occur. S. Synergistic effects. This term refers to an undesired effects resulting from the combination of two or more drugs or from stressful situations experienced while taking prescribed medicine. C. Caffeine. Many people commonly ingest caffeine. However, it is a drug with potential negative effects on flight operations if not used properly and in moderation. Beverages and foods such as tea, chocolate, and most cola-type drinks contain caffeine. Table 3-2 shows the varying amounts of caffeine in these products. E. Exhaustion. It's broken down into two subcategories: lack of sleep and rest, and physical conditioning. Lack of rest and sleep. Crew members require adequate rest to ensure optimal flight performance. Sleep problems are common during deployments when sleep environment might be cold, hot, or noisy. Changes in time zones also can affect sleep patterns. Crew members should discuss sleep difficulties with their flight surgeon, as inadequate sleep is a potential flight safety hazard. Changing the work routine or improving the environment can promote sleep and increase operational efficiency. Physical conditioning. Exercise stimulates the various body systems and has well-documented positive effects on mental health. Lack of exercise impairs circulatory efficiency, reduces endurance, and increases the likelihood of illness. General toning of the muscles, heart, and lungs is essential in preparing air crews for field exercises and survival situations. Sports that require agility, balance, and endurance are excellent means of keeping the body in top form. A. Alcohol. Alcohol acts as a depressant and adversely affects normal body functions. Even a small amount has detrimental effects on judgment, perception, reaction time, impulse control, and coordination. Alcohol reduces the ability of the brain cells to use oxygen. Each ounce of alcohol consumed increases your physiological altitude by 2,000 feet. of alcohol on the body and brain depend on the following three factors. 1. The amount of alcohol consumed. 2. The rate of absorption from the stomach and the small intestine. 3. The body's rate of metabolizing, which is relatively constant at about 1 ounce every 3 hours. Drinking alcohol, an aviator must wait at least 12 hours before beginning flying duties. Alcohol side effects are dangerous. If side effects, hangover symptoms, are present, the non-flying period should be extended beyond 12 hours. Taking cold showers, drinking coffee, or breathing 100% oxygen does not increase the body's metabolizing of the alcohol. Only time dissipates the alcohol's effects. Tobacco. The detrimental effects of tobacco on the body are well known. Apart from the long-term associated with lung cancer and coronary heart disease, there are other important but less dramatic effects. For example, chronic irritation of the lining of the nose and lungs caused by tobacco increases the likelihood of infections in those areas. This is a significant problem for aviators. It affects their ability to cope with the effects of pressure change in the ears and sinuses. In addition, even mild irritation coughs cause distress when oxygen equipment is used. H. Hypoglycemia. Aviation medicine experts recognize the importance of a nutritious, well-balanced diet. The body requires periodic refueling to function. Normal, regular eating habits are important, but nutrition depends largely on individual behavior. Crew members should consume meals at regular intervals whenever possible. Because mission requirements can disrupt regular eating habits, crew members often skip meals. Missing meals or substituting a quick snack and coffee for a well-balanced meal can induce fatigue and inefficiency. Aviators must guard against obesity because of its detrimental effects on general health and performance, inactivity, and boredom during standby duty, and long flights easily can lead to overeating. Therefore, it is wise to weigh oneself regularly and to adjust diet to maintain desired weight. This habit is easier and safer than repeated dieting. In addition, crew members should consult the flight surgeon before beginning a weight loss regimen. Herbal or dietary supplements need to be discussed with approved by a flight surgeon prior to use.